So let us try to understand this concept with the help of the questions. Then it will be more clear to you. Okay, let's start this exercise 4.2. So the question number 1 is,
Which one of the following option is true and why? Y equals to 3x plus 5 has first a unequal solution, second only two solution,
it is
third
it is Vaishnavi, it is unique.
Okay, sir. Unique solution, second only two solution, third infinitely many solution.
Okay, so first let me explain this. Look at this here. Y is given 3x plus y. Is this linear equation? Yes. Is this equation in two variable? Yes. So this is the name of the chapter. So how many solutions this linear equation has?
Infinitely many.
Absolutely right. It is having infinitely many solutions.
Infinitely many solutions.
Yes, it is having an infinitely many solutions. This thing we have already discussed. Right? Unique solution means having only one solution. Two solution means having two solution. And infinite many solution means it is having an infinite lot of solutions, that uncountable solutions. Let me explain why it is having infinite solutions. So solution means value of x and y. देखो हम लोग x को अगर कुछ भी सपोज करेंगे 0, 1, -1, 2, so then definitely we will get the value of y. And like this, in this, if x is 0, then y is 5. If x is 1, then it is 5 plus 3 is 8. If it's -1, then it's 2. If it's 2, 3 2 is 6, 11, like this. So we have infinite numbers. So we can assume the value of x as infinite number. तो x के infinite numbers हम लोग ले सकते हैं x को, तो infinite y आ जाएंगे, तो infinite x, infinite y. तो these are the solutions. Solution means x और y की values. तो infinite x के साथ infinite y आ जाएंगे. So it is having an infinite solution. I hope it's clear to you. Now let's move to the next question.
Write 4 solutions for each of the following equations.
Okay, now look at this first part. Let me explain this first part. So we need to find out 4 solution. First part अगर आप देखेंगे, so it is the equation is written here 2x plus y is equal to 7, right? So we need to find out the solutions, right? तो solution find करने के लिए the easy way is, so this is the equation, you can find out the value of y first. पहले आप y की value find कर लें. So y is equal to 7. If this 2x shift on the right side, it become minus 2x. आप x को फाइंड कर लें या y को फाइंड कर लें, या आप नहीं भी फाइंड करते हैं तब भी फाइंड आउट हो जाएंगे सॉल्यूशन. इसी लेकिन इसे थोड़ा यस
सर ऐसे डायरेक्टली लिख सकते हैं लाइक x is equals to 0, x is equals to 2 वैसे.
यस, सो वी कैन राइट डायरेक्टली ऑल्सो, बट आई नीड टू एक्सप्लेन इट हियर. x को अगर मैं 0 लेता हूं यहाँ पे, तो y कितना आएगा? वी नीड टू सोल्व द y. सो इफ y इज इक्वल टू 7 minus 2 into 0, at the place of x in this expression, at the place of x I am using this expression to find out the solution here, right? So जब मैंने x को 0 रखा यहाँ पे, x को 0 रखा यहाँ पे, right? So then the value of y we have obtained is 7, right? So this is the first solution. ऐसे ही मैं x को अगर if I take x is equal to 1, then y value is y is equal to 7 minus 2 into, at the place of x put 1. So x को एज्यूम किया और y को फाइंड किया, राइट? आप y को भी एज्यूम कर सकते हैं और x को फाइंड कर सकते हैं. इट्स योर चॉइस. मैंने 0 1 लिया, आप इसको कुछ भी ले सकते हैं. इट्स योर चॉइस. 7 minus 2 is 5, राइट? वी नीड टू फाइंड आउट द 4 सॉल्यूशंस. तो मैं 2 ले लेता हूं. y x को 2 लूंगा तो यहाँ पे इस एक्सप्रेशन में x की जगह पे रखेंगे 2, ठीक है? यहाँ पे सो y क्या मिलेगा? 7 minus 2 into 2. So 7 minus 4, 3. x को ले लेते हैं -1, कुछ भी ले सकते हैं, पॉजिटिव नेगेटिव, राइट? So then if I put x equal to -1, what I have obtained? 2 into x की जगह पे क्या रखूंगा? -1. It comes out to be 7 plus 2, 9. So the 4 solutions are this. This is the 4 solution, and we can write these solutions in a way that we have learned in chapter 3, coordinate geometry. So we can write that solution like this also. So we have learned there, we need to put the value of x first, then comma, then 7, like this. 0 comma 7 and 1 comma 5. It's 2 comma 3 and it's minus 1 comma 9. So this is the final answer of this question. So these are the 4 solutions here. I hope this question is clear to you all. Any doubt?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now let's move to the second part of this question. Look at the second part here. In this second part, we need to find out the solution. So first of all, let me find this thing y is equal to 9. If I shift this pi x on the right side, it become minus pi x, right? So now I need to find out the solution. मैं y को find कर लेता हूँ पहले. Then it is easy for me to calculate the value of y when I suppose the value of x. तो मेरे लिए थोड़ा इजी हो जाता है, लेकिन हम लोग ऊपर वाली इक्वेशन से भी फाइंड कर सकते हैं. लेट कर लेता हूं x की 4 वैल्यूज, 4 सॉल्यूशन फाइंड करने. 1 ले लेता हूं, 2 ले लेता हूं, इसको 3, लाइक दिस. नाउ आई नीड टू फाइंड आउट द वैल्यू ऑफ y in each and every case. So if x is 0, the value of y is 9 minus pi into 0.
0.
Yes, is equal to 9. Here it is, y is equal to 9 minus pi into 1 is equal to 9 minus pi. You can put the value of pi also here, 22 by 7, and then calculate it, or you can leave like that also. In both the cases it's right. Pi, then you need to put x की जगह पे 2 रखेंगे. Then answer in this case is 9 minus 2 pi. And here it is, y is equal to 9 minus pi into x is 3. कहाँ पे पुट कर रहा हूं मैं? इस इक्वेशन में यहाँ पे पुट कर रहा हूं, right? So then answer in this case is 9 minus 3 pi.
3 pi.
Right. So we can write this solution in a different way like this also, in a form of table. एक तरीका मैंने इसको लिखने का बताया आपको. एक तो ये तरीका हो गया फर्स्ट, जैसे लिखा हुआ है नीचे. एक मैंने तरीका भी बताया था कि कोऑर्डिनेट की फॉर्म में लिख सकते हैं. Let me tell you the different way to write these 4 solutions. एक और तरीका बताता हूँ. We can write this solution in a table way also. So ये भी हम लोगों ने देखा था चैप्टर 3 में. हम लोग ऐसे कोऑर्डिनेट हमें लिख के दिए थे उन्होंने in last exercise. x y, x is 0, y is 9, x is 1, x 2 हो सकता है, x 3 हो सकता है. So then y in that case is 9 minus pi.
Pi.
Here it is 9 minus
2 pi.
9 minus
3 pi.
3 pi. So this is the answer for this question. I hope it's clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Sir, we can also do it by taking the value of pi as 22 by 7. We will get the final answer. In that.
Yes, you can put the value of pi also here, but it is not mentioned in the question to put the value of pi. That's why I haven't put it. So if you put the value of pi 22 by 7, that's also right, and this is also right. So whatever suitable to you, you can do it on that
Yes,
way, right? Now let us try to understand one more part of this question. X and y, it is given here. So in this question, I need to suppose, इसमें मुझे कोई simplify करने की जरूरत नहीं है. X is written here, x है, x is 4 times of y. So if x is 4 times of y, if x is suppose, इसमें y को let करता हूँ. Let us try to do it in a different way. So इसमें y की वैल्यू को let करते हैं. y को 0 ले लेते हैं, 1, ये हम अपनी मर्जी से ले सकते हैं. कोई भी नंबर आप अपनी मर्जी से, द नंबर विच यू लाइक यू कैन टेक. अगर y 0 होगा या 1 होगा या 2 होगा, 3 होगा. If y is 0, what is the value of x? It's 4. So we have to put the value of y here in this case to find out the value of x, right? If y is 1, what is the value of x? Sorry, I have written it wrong.
Yes, sir. So first you have to write a 0.
Yes. If y is 0, then what is the value of x? It's 0.
Then it will be 0.
If y is 1, what is the value of x?
4.
4.
Yes, it's 4. If y is 2, what is the value of x?
8.
8. Yes. If y is 3, what is the value of x?
12.
12. Yes, absolutely right. I hope you understand the questions, and you can write these solutions like this: 0, 0, then 1, 4, then 8, 2, 8, and
Then 3, 12.
yes, 3, 12. So this is the solution. These are the 4 solutions. और लाइक दिस हम लोग x की वैल्यू लेट करते जाएंगे, y की वैल्यू आती जाएगी, इनफाइनाइट वैल्यूज हम लोग लेट कर सकते हैं, इनफाइनाइट सॉल्यूशंस इसके आ सकते हैं, किसके, लीनियर इक्वेशन इन टू वेरिएबल के। एंड इफ द इक्वेशन लीनियर इक्वेशन इन वन वेरिएबल के कितने सॉल्यूशन आते हैं, ओनली वन यूनिक सॉल्यूशन, राइट। नाउ लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन।
Check which of the following are solution of the equation x minus 2y equals to 4 and which are not. First, bracket 0, 2. Second, 2, 0. Third, 4, 0. Fourth, root 2, 4, root 2. Fifth, 1, 1.
Okay. X minus 2y is equal to 4. It is the equation given here. X minus 2y is equal to 4. So this is.
Sir, in this we have to put the value for x 0. We shall not take x is equals to 2.
Yes. So basically in this question we need to check is the given part is the solution or not. अगर ये solution होंगे, so they satisfy the equation also. अगर ये solution होंगे, x की value, let me tell you, if you look at this first part, in the first part x is given 0 and y is given 2, right? This is x and this is y. If I put these values of x and y into the given equation, so that given equation must satisfy these values if it is the solution of that equation. अगर वो उस इक्वेशन का सॉल्यूशन होगा तो अगर उस इन वैल्यूज को उस इक्वेशन में हम लोग पुट करेंगे तो वो इक्वेशन को सेटिस्फाई करेगा। सेटिस्फाई करेगा का क्या मतलब है, ये इक्वेशन है, इफ यू लुक एट दिस, तो इसकी जो लेफ्ट साइड है अगर आप देखेंगे ये x माइनस 2y है और इसकी राइट साइड है, राइट साइड इज दिस 4. सो राइट, सो नाउ लेट मी सोल्व दिस लेफ्ट हैंड साइड एट दिस वैल्यूज। इन वैल्यूज पे इसकी लेफ्ट हैंड साइड सोल्व करते हैं, अगर वो 4 आएगी तो ये सॉल्यूशन होगा, एंड इफ इट इज नॉट 4 so it means that is not the value, that is not the solution of this given equation, right? Now let me check it. x को 0 रखा मैंने यहाँ पे, -2 into y को मैंने 2 रखा, so it comes out to be -4. So we can say that it's not equal to RHS, so it's not the solution. So ये solution नहीं है, it's not the solution.
Sir, won't we try it vice versa by taking x is equals to 2 and y is equals to 0?
What?
सर हम इसको उल्टा ट्राई नहीं कर सकते, x की वैल्यू को 2 लेके y की वैल्यू को 0 लेके?
Okay. Basically, the standard notation we have discussed in the chapter 3 coordinate geometry. The first value is written for x and the second value is written for y. It is fixed.
Okay, yes sir.
You can't take it reverse, right? If you look at this, if you look at the second part, in the second part, what is x given? X is given 2 and what is y is given 0. So now let us solve the left hand side in this case. LHS is x minus 2y. इसमें put करके देखिए, x को रखा 2, y को रखा 0, it comes out to be 2. क्या RHS 2 के equal है? No, RHS is 4. So it's not equal to RHS. So no, it's also not the solution, right? Now look at the third part. In the third part, it is given 4, 0. So the x value is 4 and y value is 0. Now let us find out the LHS in the third part. x को रखेंगे 4, x minus 2y मैंने ले लिया इक्वेशन का, 4 minus 2 into 0 is equal to 4. Yes, it's equal to RHS. So it satisfies, these values satisfy the equation. ये इक्वेशन को satisfy कर रही है. So yes, it is the solution, right? Now look at this fourth part. Let me write that fourth part in this on this side. X की वैल्यू given है, x is given √2 and y is given 4 √2. So put it into the left hand side. LHS is equal to x की जगह पे रख दीजिए √2 minus 2 is there, और y की जगह पे रखिए 4 √2. So it comes out to be √2 minus 8 √2. It comes out to be minus 7 √2. So it's not equal to 4. It's not equal to 4. तो ये RHS के equal नहीं है. So no, it's not the solution, right? Look at this fifth part. It's given 1, 1. तो आप इसको डायरेक्टली देख के बता सकते हैं फिफ्थ पार्ट, इज इट और नो, यस और नो। अगर आप 1 रखेंगे तो यहाँ पे 1 -2, यहाँ पे भी 1, 1 - 2 इज इक्वल टू -1. So in the LHS, the fifth part, it comes out to be -1. It's not equal to RHS. So is it solution? No, it's not the solution. I hope this thing is clear. This question is clear to you all.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now let's move to the next question.
Question 4. Find the value of k if x is equal to 2, y is equal to 1 is a solution of the equation 2x plus 3y is equal to k.
Okay. So x is given 2, y is given 1, and one equation is this given. And what we need to find? We need to find the value of k. So x की वैल्यू भी गिवन है, इक्वेशन पहले लिख लेता हूं, इक्वेशन इज दिस, and we need to find k. So what is x given here? X given here 2. So at the place of x put 2, and at the place of y put 1. It is given in the question. So 2 plus 2 4, 3 1 ja 3 equal to k. So the value of k in this case is 7 is the answer in this case. So if this is the solution, अगर ये x equal to 2, y equal to 1 solution है, अगर ये solution है तो हम लोग इसको इसमें put कर सकते हैं. It satisfy this equation, right? If it is a solution, it satisfy the equation. If it is not the solution, it do not satisfy the equation, right? So this is the answer in this case. I hope this question is clear to you all. Okay, it's all about this exercise number 2.